We're gonna do your eyes first because we're gonna use a product that has a lot of shimmer in it. We're going to use Wet n Wild Multi-Sticks as our eyeshadow base. And I'm not really being too precise with it, just blending it out onto the lid. I mean, go ahead and turn. Look at that by itself. Can you hear that? Thunderous applause. We're also gonna use the Wet n Wild 10 Pan eyeshadow palette, just to add a little bit more color. So I'm just bringing that color up into the crease as well. And I'm taking that same brush, going in with that beautiful coppery orange, going right along the lash line. What kind of roles do you get called for?
Like young girl, like best friend, not very deep, I would say.
So you play the best friend that's younger than she actually is.
Yeah.
I think you could pass for like a 16-year-old.
Really? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah.
Not by the time I'm done with you.